Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is Arabic numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, dear students, we have finished already in the half yearly syllabus from 1 to 10. Now we will start from 11 to 20. Dear students, firstly you have to open your book, Islamic Studies and Ideal Islamic Studies and Arabic, this book. Ideal Islamic Studies and Arabic, this book, page number 22. Okay, open this page, page number 22. Now we will start and come to the board. Dear students, firstly come 11. This is called in Arabic Ahada Ashara. Ahada Ashara means 11. This is Ithna Ashara. It means in English 12. Thalathata Ashara. It means 13. Arba'ata Ashara. It means 14. Khamsata Ashara. It means 15. Sittata Ashara. It means 16. Sab'ata Ashara. It means 17. Samaniyata Ashara. Samaniyata Ashara means 18. It means 18. Tis'ata Ashara. It means 19. And Ishruna. It means 20. Dear students, now I will again recite from 11 to 20. This is Ahada Ashara, 11. Ithna Ashara, 12. Salasata Ashara, 13. Arba'at Ashara, it means 14. Khamsata Ashara, it means 15. Sittata Ashara, it means 16. Sab'ata Ashara, it means 17. Samaniyata Ashara, it means 18. Tis'at Ashara, it means 19. Ishruna, it means 20. Dear students, you have to write down only Arabic digit, this digit only. Okay, write down you have to only this digit from 11 to 20. This digit is you have to learn, because in the examination hall you have to write down only this digit and don't write Ahad Ashara in Arabic. Write down only digit. So you have to practice only 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This digit are you have to practice. And now I will again write from 11 to 20 in Arabic. Dear students, notice the board. There are left side letters from 11 to 19 are same, as like as 1. As like as 1. Every letter is as like as 1. 11 to 19. And right side letter is same in 11. This is Ahada Ashara, 11. And right side letter is 12 is like this, 2. This is 2 in English but Arabic in 2. Firstly give one stick and write down this. This is 12 and this is 13. 13 is 1 and write down 3 in Arabic. Firstly write on stick and give 3 heads, 3 round heads. This is 13 and this is 15. It is 1 and 4 in Arabic is like 14. Okay, dear students, now 15. 15 is, it is 1 and 5 in Arabic like this, as like as beetle. This is 5, so it is 15 in Arabic. This is called in Arabic Khamsata Ashara. Now I will write 16. This is 6 in English, but 6 in Arabic is write stick, one stick and give round one head. This is called 16. And 17. This is 1 and it is 7 in English, but 7 in Arabic is like this. And 18. This is 8 in English, but 8 is Arabic in 8. like this. So it is 18 and 9, 19. It is 9 in English and same 9 in Arabic. Both are same 9. And we know that this is 2 in Arabic, and write down here 2 left side and give 0 in the right side. So it is become 20 in Arabic. This is called in Ishruna. Dear students, you have to must careful about this 0 in Arabic language, because there is no space in the 0 in Arabic language. Such as English 0 is, in English 0 is like, but in Arabic 0 is like, same as dot. There is no space between 0 in Arabic. If you give in 0 as like this in Arabic, then it will be 5. Such as 5. 5 it is also write down as like this. It is also 5 and it is also 5. And if you give only dot, it will be 0. So you have to write down 0 like this, 20. Don't like this. This is 5 in Arabic and this is 0 in Arabic. So careful about 0 and 5. Okay, dear students, you have to must done. Now I will give your ASW. Today's ASW number is 3. Arabic numbers 11 to 20 2 times, only digit. Write down only this digit from 11 to 20 2 times. Okay, dear students, you have to must careful about Arabic language, writing Arabic language. If write down from right side to left side, then you have to must write from right side, because Arabic language start from right side and English and Bengali language start from left side. And you write down from right side to left side, then you have to must write like this: 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. Not 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is wrong, because Arabic language must start from right side. So you have to must write 11 right side, then 12, then 13, then 14. And if you write from up to down, then it is the process. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home and avoid by parents, and write more and more at your home, and stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.